Todd's Carpet and Tile Cleaning, call or text 702-595-0488. Looking to get away this weekend? The Birds and the Bees at the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens takes visitors into a pastel wonderland, embodying transformation with botanical masterpieces, wildlife-inspired elements, and whimsical scenes. The name is a playful nod to spring and nature, evoking images of pollination, growth, and the vibrancy of the season, while the bees also pay homage to the iconic Bellagio bee. The spring display was created to honor nature's beauty and the sense of renewal that comes with this time of year, said designer Ed Libby. Here's a breakdown of what it took to bring the display together. There are 35,000 purple wisteria on the wisteria trees throughout the display. Workers used 18,000 potted plants and flowers. 2,800 succulents helped make up Cassandra the caterpillar. 100 team members worked 24 hours a day for 6 days to bring the display to life. Guests can check out the new display through May 17th